Good day, mate. Today we are going to take a trip to the land down under. The land down under is also called Australia. Okay, the continent of Australia. Today we're going to be doing some art from there. We're going to be making a boomerang. Okay, boomerangs are iconic to Australia. They represent the indigenous people. I can't say that word very well there, and the Aborigines people. They are tribes that have lived there for thousands and thousands of years. So a boomerang, when you throw it, it's supposed to come back to you. Okay, so this is decorated with different symbols from Australia. So today we're going to create one of those. What you need for this is any kind of hard piece of paper like cardstock, or if you wanted a little bit more sturdier, you could use a piece of lightweight cardboard like a cereal box. So for this one, you can see I use the side of a cereal box. If you want to make a smaller one, you could use a cake box or macaroni and cheese. Whatever you want. That is usually a harder piece of material, but it is lighter weight than real stiff cardboard. So, and it's easier to cut. So let's get started. I have my cereal box, okay, and I'm going to lay it down. I'm going to show you how to draw this. You ready? All right, so we're going to take a crayon, a pencil, marker, whatever your tool of choice is, your medium of choice. And I'm going to start here by making a rainbow line, which is just kind of like a hill or a curved line. And I'm going from one end to the other here, okay? Then I'm going to curve this at the bottom, just like this on both sides, okay? And then, make sure that you can see this here, I'm going to come up and curve down as well, just like this. And there we have our boomerang, okay? And I'm going to decorate our boomerang using symbols that they use in Australia with the Aborigines and from the indigenous people. But if you want to see some of these symbols, you can get on the Padlet that this same video was on, and you can see a sheet with some of those symbols on it. All right? Hey guys, so I worked on adding all of the symbols from the Aborigine language, and so here are just a few that I chose, okay? So you can choose a few, you can choose all, you can make it your own however you want. But this is a symbol for star, okay? And this is the symbol for meeting place. This is people, meeting place, star, watering hole, and this is the symbol for smoke. Okay, so now that I have it all drawn and decorated, and I can add some more color to it if I wanted to, I'm going to cut this out, all right? And then once I get it cut out, I will have my boomerang, all right? So have fun doing this. Don't worry about making a mistake. Just make it a happy accident. Just have fun creating, and we would love to see your boomerang. So take a picture of them and post them for us to see. All right, guys, have fun creating.